Hello everybody, welcome to Sunya IAS. We are having the topic wise discussion of CSAT previous year questions of UPSC CSE Prelims, that is GS paper 2. We have already covered certain topics like Venn diagram, directions, roots and network. Today we are taking up the topic of series. So in series, generally there are two types of series, that is number series and that is letter series. So every year in UPSC exam, they definitely ask at least one question or two questions from this topic. And this is a very, I won't say very easy topic, but actually if you'll practice more number of questions, then it will be very easy to you. क्योंकि इसमें कुछ ऐसा डिफिकल्ट है नहीं, आपको क्या करना है, अपना प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड यूज करना है. देयर विल बी सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ सीरीज. आप कुछ 3, 4, 5 टाइप की सीरीज होती है जनरली, जिसमें आपके 90 to 95% क्वेश्चंस वो आप कर सकते हो उससे. सो इन दिस चैप्टर द की टू क्रैक दैट क्वेश्चन इज कि आप कितना प्रैक्टिस करते हो क्वेश्चन को. सो हम ये टॉपिक वाइज डिस्कशन ले रहे हैं फ्रॉम द ईयर 2011 to 2022. इसमें हम इस सीरीज के जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं प्रीवियस ईयर उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो सर हैज ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दिस टॉपिक. उन्होंने काफी अच्छे कॉन्सेप्ट्स बताए हैं. सर हैज डिस्कस्ड इट इन 2 levels, दैट इज बेसिक लेवल एंड दिस एडवांस लेवल. तो ये आप माई सब्सक्रिप्शन में जाके यू कैन check that under the section of logical reasoning there is the chapter of series. Okay, so my suggestion would be watch sir's video first and then come to my lecture. Once you will be thorough with both the lecture series of sir and mine, then you will be able to solve almost every question of this chapter series. Sir has already explained you, but you know in a very crisp manner मैं आपको कुछ बहुत छोटे में थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा कि क्या जनरली हम सीरीज के क्वेश्चंस में करते हैं या किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जनरली दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क. सो अगर मैं ये देखूं, जनरली जो सीरीज में होता है देयर आर नंबर सीरीज, there is letter series, there is mixed series. There are more number of these types, but these 3 are main. So what is number series and what question they can ask? They can ask types of questions. Types of question में they can ask कि what can be the next term, what is the missing term, and what is the wrong term in the series. So I'll tell you कि what these 3 things are. Number series क्या है? Let's say there is a series 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. So this is a series. Okay, so मैं आपको ना इससे रिलेट करके बताऊंगा कि इस नंबर सीरीज में व्हाट दे कैन आस्क कि दिस इज 2, 4, 6, 8, दिस इज अ नंबर सीरीज बिकॉज देयर आर नंबर्स इन दिस सीरीज. तो जनरली व्हाट कैन दे आस्क? नेक्स्ट टर्म. हाउ दे कैन आस्क व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट टर्म ऑफ दिस सीरीज. लेट्स से, so you can see this is 2, then we add 2, 4, then we add 6, then we add 8, then what will we be doing? We can add 2 in this 8, then what will be that next term would be 10. So this is one type of question. They can give you one series and what they will ask ki what is the next term. Another is missing term. So in this question, let's say they have given this series 2, 4, 6 and they missed one term, then 10, 12 like this, and then they ask what is the missing number in this series, because this is a continuous series and there is one number missing in between this series. So this is missing. So here you can 2, 4, 4, 2, 6, then this number would be 8. Because if this is 8, then 8 plus 2, 10, then 10 plus 12, 2, 12. That is, the continuation of series is maintained. So this is missing term. And what is wrong? Let's say they have given this series 2, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12 like this. And they are asking, is there any term wrong in this series? If yes, find out. So we can see, we add 2 here, we add 2 here, we add 2 here. So we got an idea that in the next, the following number, we are adding 2 number plus 2 in the from the previous number, right? Because how we are getting 4, we are adding 2 in this 2. How we are getting 10, we are adding 2 in this 8, right? So if we add 2 in this 4, then this should not be 7, this should be 6. So this is the wrong term. So if we need to find out the wrong term, then 7 is the wrong term. And what would be the correct number? That would be 6. So these type of these type of questions generally they can ask. Okay. Then what is letter series? Letter series, they can something like that. A, C, E, G, and then they can ask these type of questions: next term, missing term, and wrong term. So these are letters. So these are very easy questions. So in these type of questions, what you need to do, I have told you, I think in the earlier class also, that while you are writing the CSAT exam, once you get that question come answer booklet, you need to do one thing. You always just a second, I'll just erase it. What you will do, you will always write like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this would be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. Because so before even starting the examination, once you get that QCA, तब आप उसमें ये लिख सकते हो. इससे क्या आपका आसान हो जाएगा कि this thing will help you in solving this series type of questions, or even in the questions of coding, decoding. And write like this, in this fashion, in 5 terms, because that would be easy for you to calculate. Let's say you need to calculate the number of R. Then what will you do? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, R would be 18. This would be time taking. So in examination, there are 2 things. First, आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. सेकंड, क्वेश्चन को टाइम पर सॉल्व करना है. सो यू नीड टू सेव द टाइम एवरीवेयर जहां पे आप कर सकते हो. तो ये आपको पहले करना है. तो अगर आपने ये कर लिया तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि A is 1, एक छोड़ के we get C, then we left one term, we get C is this, we left one term, then get E, then we left one term, we get G, then what would be the next term? We will leave H, and then I would be the correct answer. So these kind of questions are being asked in the number series. And what is this mixed series? In mixed series, they mix these two, numbers and letters. So they can A 1, A, 2, B, and then they can ask what is the next term and all. So that we will see in the upcoming questions. So this is a very basic idea what is going to be asked in the series chapter. Also, I'll give you some basic things. If in a series, generally what you do, let's say this is a series 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, like this. So generally do one thing. This is some certain method. This is not a hard and fast rule, but this will make the things easier for you. बिकॉज अगर आप सिस्टमैटिक वे में कोई भी काम करते हो ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली चीजें आसान होने लगती हैं. तो क्या करना है इसमें हमें? फर्स्ट इज द difference of consecutive terms. Means here 5 minus 2 difference is 3, 8 minus 5 difference is 3, 11 minus 8 difference is 3. That is, we are adding 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11. Like this we are getting the series. So generally you see the difference कि कहीं आपकी सीरीज ऐसा तो नहीं कि डिफरेंस से बन रही है. सेकंड, अगर आपके सीरीज के नंबर बहुत रैपिडली चेंज कर रहे हैं, बहुत जो चेंज हो रहा है नंबर बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहा है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, तो एग्जांपल समझ में आएगा. लेट्स से दिस इज 8 8 32 128 लाइक दिस. अब देखो 2 के बाद 8 आ गया, 8 के बाद सीधे वी गेट 32 एंड देन अगेन वी गेट 128. सो द numbers are increasing very rapidly. So in this thing what will we do कि जनरली वी थिंक कि अगर ऐसा केस है तो वो डिफरेंस वाला काम नहीं करेगा. वी नीड टू सी द प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज, आर वी मल्टीप्लाइंग सम नंबर इन दिस नंबर दैट वी आर गेटिंग द नेक्स्ट टर्म. So here if we multiply 4, then 2 into 4 8, 8 into 4 32, 32 into 4 128. So yes, if that product thing is not working, then we can see that square or cube, square or cube, कि कहीं नेक्स्ट टर्म किसी का स्क्वायर तो नहीं है, क्यूब तो नहीं है, एंड लाइक दिस. And also one more thing, one last thing I want to tell you, if the terms are increasing then decreasing, increasing then decreasing, अगर ऐसा हो रहा है, then you need to understand that this might be a question of two series. जैसे like this. So here you can see this is decreasing, again increasing, decreasing, again increasing, decreasing, again increasing. So what is, so this is a two series question, means we can break this series in two parts, that is 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8, and then we can make this a different series, 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. Like this series is going to work. ठीक है? So these are some very general points of this chapter series. So now we will be discussing our questions of series. तो आई थिंक यहाँ पे सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया आपको यहाँ तक. यहाँ पे कोई कुछ भी ऐसा डाउट की बात नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट? इसको हम ध्यान रखेंगे while solving the question. Okay. So the first question is, this question has been asked in the year 2022. So the question is, what is the value of x in the sequence 20, 10, 10, 15, 30, 75 x? So the series is 20, 10, 10, 15, 30, 75 x. Some of you might feel कि I am taking a little slow, but the thing is कि in these CSAT questions हमें सबको देखना है, राइट? तो कई बार कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है चीज़ों को ग्रैस्प करने में, या फिर कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं कि हमें टाइम लग जाता है सोचने में. इसलिए आई एम टेकिंग द थिंग्स फ्रॉम वेरी बेसिक, ओके, कि आपको हर एक स्टेप समझ में आए, because this is a previous year question discussion, right? If you are thorough with these questions, then what UPSC is going to do? Generally, they are going to mold these questions. या तो इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, otherwise what they will do, they will mix 2 or 3 questions, है ना? They are not going to ask any new concept, because in 12 years they have asked almost every concept. ठीक है? So if you are thorough with these questions, so it is most likely that you will going to solve every question what we are teaching you. ओके इसे थोड़ा सा मैं बेसिक से ले रहा हूँ, हर चीज़ आपको बताना चाहता हूँ सो दैट कि आपको जो मेन एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आए उसमें आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सो लेट्स सी. So 20, 10, 10, 15, 30, 75, x. So here we can see कि डिफरेंस तो काम कर नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे. 10, 10 नहीं. What will we do? कि 20 में if we multiply, here we can see that the numbers are increasing very rapidly. 10, then 15, then 30, then 75. So what I have told you earlier, कि if the numbers are increasing very rapidly, then you do the product. You check for the product whether this series is based on the product. So 20. So if we here multiply 0.5, okay. Here we multiply 1, 10 into 1, 10. Here 15 by 10, that is 1.5. Okay. 15 into 32. Okay. So I think we have got our series. कैसे? इट्स मैजिक राइट. ये इन सीरीज के क्वेश्चन में यही होता है, आपको ना दो टर्म मिल जाते हैं और उसके बाद आप देखने लगते हो तो यू गेट दैट हैप्पीनेस कि यार यू गॉट दैट सीरीज. 0.5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर मैंने 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर मैंने 1.5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. मीन्स हर बार 0.5 से इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं. देन हियर आई थिंक ये 2.5 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 2.5 इंटू 30 75. देन हियर किससे मल्टीप्लाई होना चाहिए? 3 से राइट. 0.5 उसमें मैंने 0.5 मिला दिया तो 1 में मैंने फिर से 0.5 मिला दिया. देन वी गॉट 1.5. इसमें मैंने फिर से 0.5 मिला दिया. देन वी गॉट 2. इसमें मैंने फिर से 2.5 मिला दिया. वी गॉट 2.5. देन व्हाट अगेन विल वी डू? we'll add 0.5 and then we'll get 3. Then 75 into 3, that would be our answer, that is 225. Is there any option? Option D, 225 is the correct option. Fine. So this was our first question that has been asked in the recent prelims of 2022. It was so easy, तो इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा. We will move on to the next question. In the series A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, which letter appears at the 100th place? ठीक है, तो what will we do? हमने वही अपना बनाया A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So generally if they ask any question of alphabets, you need to first make this beforehand. So this is A, B, A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, and like this it is going. So you can see while reading this series, you can see we can bifurcate like this. A, then what is coming? A, B, then A, B, C, then A, B, C, D, then A, B, C, D, E. सीरीज मिल गई हमको, खुश हो जाओ. कितना आसान है इसको. आप once you read this series, you will get an intuition. और ये क्वेश्चन इंट्यूशन से ही आते हैं. Practice plus intuition. Because once you'll practice the questions, you will be encountered with different types of problems. And once you are, you have seen so many types, तो आपका intuition work करने लगेगा. तो here we can see A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. Then what would be the next term? A, B, C, D, E, F. Like this series is going to proceed. So which letter appears at the 100th place? So here there is one letter, here 2, here 3 letters, here 4 letters, here 5 letters, here there would be 6 letters. Like this series will proceed. So they are asking which letter appears at the 100th place. So what will we do? हम ये देखते हैं 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 like this series is going to add. So हम देख लेते हैं कि कितने ग्रुप तक this series का sum is 100 or near to 100. So what is the sum of consecutive numbers? That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 like this, starting from 1. The formula is n plus 1 by 2. You must have read this. You must have studied what is n plus 1 by 2. So if there are 1 plus 2 plus, if there are let's say 3 terms, then n is equal to 3. Sum would be 3 plus 1 upon 2, that is 4 by 2, 2, 6. And if we add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, right? So this formula is correct. So the addition of consecutive numbers starting from 1, the formula is this, n plus 1 by 2. ठीक है, तो हम मान लेते हैं कि let's say there are, this is the first group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, like this. Let's say for example we need to check कि near to 100 ये कहाँ पहुंच रहा है sum. Let's say there are, let's say the sum is going to reach near 100, let's say in 10th group. So let's say n is equal to 10. We are taking 10th group, 10 group. The formula is n plus 1 by 2, 55. No, but they are asking 100th place. We are, we reached till 55 itself. Then n is not equal to 10. मतलब ये जो फर्स्ट ग्रुप है, सेकंड ग्रुप है, थर्ड ग्रुप है, ऐसे 10 ग्रुप होंगे, 10 ग्रुप तक भी सम 55 ही है, तो 100th टर्म उस 10th ग्रुप से भी ज्यादा आगे है. सो लेट्स से n इज इक्वल टू 12. तो n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2, this would be 78. Again this is less than 100. ये 100 से लेस है ना, तो अगर नेक्स्ट सीरीज में टर्म 13 होंगे, ये तो 12 ग्रुप तक हो गए, 12 ग्रुप तक मतलब 12 लेटर्स, तो नेक्स्ट सीरीज में 13 लेटर हो जाएंगे, है ना. तो ये 100 से लेस है, तो ये भी नहीं होगा. सो वी नीड टू चेक फर्दर. लेट्स से n इज इक्वल टू 13. तो n plus 1 by 2, 13, 13 plus 1 by 2, 91. इसका मतलब जो 13th ग्रुप है, ऐसे ये जाते जाएंगे और ये 13th ग्रुप हो जाएगा, उस तक सम 91 है. Then the next would be 14th group. 13th ग्रुप तक सम कितना हो गया? 91. ये फर्स्ट ग्रुप में 1 लेटर, टू ग्रुप में, सेकंड ग्रुप में 2 लेटर, थर्ड ग्रुप में 3 लेटर, लाइक दिस 13th ग्रुप में 3 लेटर, एंड द सम वुड बी द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स वुड बी 91. So 14th ग्रुप में there would be 14 letters, right? 14 letters. हमें क्या पूछा जा रहा है? 100. तो 91 तक तो हमें पता चल गया, तो 91 से अब हमें 100 तक जाना है. तो 91 से 100 मतलब 9 places. 100 minus 91, that is 9 places. 91 से मतलब 92 would be A, 93 would be B, like this. So 9th number के कौन सा टर्म है? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what would be our answer? I. थोड़ा सा conceptual question था, confusing ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'll just explain you the last step what I have done. So this is, sorry, this is A, this is AB, this is ABC, like this. This would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what I have tried to explain you, this is first group, second group, third group, this is 13th group. So what I tried to tell you कि इसमें एक लेटर है, इसमें 2 लेटर है, इसमें 3 लेटर है, like this, and in this 13th group there are 13 letters. How did we reach till 13? This is the formula n plus 1 by 2, 13, and this is a random guess. Like first we took 10, 10 में नहीं काम किया, 12 वाला is not reaching up to 100, then this is 13, 13 plus 1, 14 by 2, this is 91. So the sum, this number, this is first 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So till here, this is at 91th place. M, this last term. Now we find to at the 100th. So in the next group, there would be 14 term. A, B, C, D. This is the next 14th group. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and like this. Right? So we are asking for the 100 term. This is 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So they are asking 100. This is I. So हमने क्या एक एक नहीं कैलकुलेट किया, शॉर्टकट किया. दिस इज 91. 100 का प्लेस है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 मींस नाइन्थ लेटर, एंड नाइन्थ लेटर इन द सीरीज इज ए बी सी डी ई 5 एफ जी एच आई 9. सो दिस इज आर 100th लेटर. दिस वाज इजी क्वेश्चन. थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्चुअल था, पर इसमें कुछ ऐसा डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. मतलब आई डोंट फील एनी डिफिकल्टी. ये चीज एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट हो सकता है, इसको आप नोट कर लेना. ठीक है. We will move on to the next question. What is the value of x in the sequence 2, 12, 36, 80, 150? Fine. 2, 12, 36, 80. ठीक है. 2, 12, sorry, 36, 80, 150 x. So x का वैल्यू पूछ रहे हैं. So here we can see this is 36, 3, this is 3. So here we can see that numbers are increasing very rapidly. 6, 12, 36, 80, 150. But if you see, is this the product? Because 2 into 6, 12. But 12 into 6 is 36. 12 into 6 is 72, not 32. So this is not the product, because if we multiply 6, then this would be 72, not 36. Then this scheme is wrong. So, and I have told you, when the numbers are increasing rapidly and the product is not working, then we need to see for the squares and cubes. Okay. तो हम एक एक टर्म को देखते हैं कि यार कैसे हो रहा है. What is 2? What is 2? What is 12? This is the square of 1. 1 स्क्वायर में मैंने 1 ऐड कर दिया. 12 is 2 स्क्वायर में हमने 8 ऐड कर दिया. 36 में मैंने 3 स्क्वायर 27 ऐड कर दिया. 27. सो आर वी गेटिंग एनी आइडिया? यार एग्जैक्ट स्क्वायर तो नहीं बन रहा है. 1 के स्क्वायर 1, 2 के स्क्वायर में 2. सो दिस 1 is 1. ओके, दिस 8 is 2 क्यूब. This 37 is 3 cube. This 1 we can write as 1 cube. So 36 next term is 80. Next 4 square 16, then 64, and this 64 is 4 cube. That means we have got our series. इसमें क्या था? 1 square plus 1 cube, 2 square plus 2 cube, 3 square plus 3 cube. 80 is 4 square plus 4 cube. 4 square plus 4 cube. This is 80. 150 would be 5 square plus 5 cube. 25 plus 120. That means we have got our series. Then what would be next term? This x would be 6 square plus 6 cube. That is 36 plus 216. That is 252. Is there any option? Yes, option B. ठीक है. So this question again asked in the year 2022. So this is the third question of this topic which has been asked in the year 2022. So you can see the importance of this topic, and there is nothing difficult, there is nothing new. ये सारी चीजें practice and intuition पे depend करती है. So here you can see first what we have, what is our method. कि हम देखते हैं रैपिडली बढ़ रहे हैं, तो प्रोडक्ट किया, बट प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट वर्किंग. देन वी वेंट फॉर स्क्वायर्स एंड क्यूब. वी सॉ कि 2 is 1 square plus 1, 12 with 2 square plus 8. बट दिस इज नॉट प्योर स्क्वायर सीरीज. तो 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 8, 3 square plus 27. So while seeing this 8 and 27, we got an intuition कि 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. And 1 we can write the cube of 3. Then if this series can be written like 3 square plus 3 cube, 2 square plus 2 cube, then we check whether this is applicable in the next term or not. Then we saw that 80 is 4 square plus 64, that is 4 cube. Then whatever सीरीज वॉट एवर यू नो जो भी हमने ये मिला है हमें कि 1 square plus 1 cube, 2 square plus 2 cube, that is applicable in 80, that is again applicable in 150. That means our methodology is correct and then हमने x में 6 square plus 6 cube and we have got our answer. ठीक है? So we'll move on to the next topic, next question, sorry. Replace the incorrect term in the given sequence. Okay. 3 2 7 4 13 10 21 18 31 28 43 40. So I have already told you what I have told you कि if in a series the consecutive number terms are increasing and decreasing, then हमें देखना चाहिए कि this might be a possible case of two series. I'm not sure whether this is a question of two series, but we will just check the possibility. And this question has been asked in the year 2021. Okay. So here it is increasing 3 plus 3 7 4 7 6 8 10 12 कुछ दिया नहीं है अभी. So these numbers are increasing like this, plus 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12. So if we see here 2 4 plus 2, 4 10 plus 6, 10 18 plus 8, 18 28 plus 10 and 18 28 and 28 40 plus 12. So these are two different series. That is, one series is 3 7 13 21 31 43 and then other series 2 4 10 18 28. And we can see कि जो number है वो same value से increase कर रहा है. This is 6, this is plus 6, plus 8, plus 8, plus 10, plus 10, plus 12, plus 12. But here this is plus 4, but here it is plus 2. And we can see that this is increasing by 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then this should be 4 because 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here it is 2, then this won't be 2, this would be 4 because 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then this is a continuation of series. Here it is 4, then here must be 4 because 4, then plus 2, 6, then plus 2, 8, then plus 10, 10. Like this 4 plus 6, plus 2, 6, plus 2, 8. So this will not be plus 2, this would be plus 4. So here we got 4. So we need to, this is the wrong term. What is the correct term? Correct term would be 4, this term, minus this 4. That is 0. So here it would be 0 because if in the 0 we add 4, then we get this 4. So this, what is the correct answer? Replace the incorrect terms. Then this is the correct answer would be 0. Odd terms, and even in the question they gave odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. Even if they अगर उन्होंने ये लाइन नहीं भी दी होती, still we can see कि similarity से कि this must be following the same series, same pattern. ठीक है, but here they have already told you that they have made the question even more easier, right? So we'll move on to the next question. Okay, following is a matrix of certain entries. The entries follow a certain trend row wise. Choose the missing entry accordingly. Okay, this question was asked in 2021. So in last few years, UPSC has increased the number of questions being asked from this topic. Okay, so आपको इस topic पे थोड़ा सा work करने की जरूरत है. So here if we see this, this is letters and this is numbers. That means this is a kind of mixed series. Actually series नहीं है, ये matrix है, but still we can treat it as like a series because there is some order that would be followed. So we can see 7 plus 3 we get this 10. It is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This 3, this 6. If we add, then we get 9, right? Then this number must be added with this number so that we get 13. So what should be this number? So 10 plus let's say some number x is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13 minus 10, that is 3. So this first number would be 3. Right? Acha. Here this is BAC. It is CBA. Then this should be AC. Because in every row we are getting all the ABC. Here also ABC, then here would be AC, B is missing, then here would be 3B, right? Then option would be 3B, right? बहुत easy question था ये, तो इसमें तो कुछ था ही नहीं. ठीक है, चलो next question. You are given two identical sequence in two rows. What is the entry in the place of C for the sequence 2? Okay. So we can see 8, this is 4, 6, 15, 52.5, 236.25. Again we can see the number here are increasing very rapidly. Then this might be a question of product. So 8 into 0.5 we get 4, 4 into 1.5 we get 6, 6 into 2.5 we get 15. So this is 0.1, 1.5, 2.5. तो हमें कुछ आइडिया लग रहा है कि यार ऐसा हो सकता है क्या. तो अगर if the series is working like this 0.1, 1.5, 2.5, then there must be, it should be 3.5. 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, this must be 3.5. So if we multiply 15 into 3.5, this is 15 into 5, 5, 7, 52, 15.5, right? That means, so here it would be 4.5. You can check, this would be coming definitely. So you can see we have got our series. This is 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. Okay. So like this we need to do in the series this 5, A, B, C, D, E. The 5 into 0.5, that is 2.5. 2.5 into 1.5. First we'll make like this 2.5, 3.5, 4.5. Okay. 5 into 0.5, 2.5. 2.5 into 1.5. 2.5 into 1.5. I think 3.75. 3.75 into 2.5. What they're asking C. So C का वैल्यू पूछ रहे हैं 3. So C का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? C must be 3.75 into this 3.75 into 2.5. This must be 9.375. Is there any option? Yes, option C. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. हमने फर्स्ट सीरीज से देखा कि व्हाट पैटर्न इट इज गोइंग टू फॉलो. Then we have applied the same thing here. The 5 में 0.5 multiply कर दिया, we got 2.5. Then 2.5 में again we multiplied 1.5, we got 3.75, and then we multiplied 2.5, and like this we have got our solution, right? So like this you can see कि there is nothing new in these questions. अगर आप थोड़ा सा पैटर्न नोटिस कर लेते हो कि ये रैपिडली इंक्रीज कर रहा है, दैट मींस कि प्रोडक्ट या स्क्वायर या क्यूब का कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा, अदरवाइज यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस फर्स्ट. ठीक है, सो वील मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So the question is, what is the value of x in the sequence 2, 7, 22, 67, 202, x 1822? Okay. The series is 2, 7, 22, 67, 202, x 1822. Again, same principle is going to be followed. What? Numbers are increasing very rapidly. 2, then 7, then 22, 67, then 202, and the last number is 1822, which the series which has been started from the number 2, the last term is 1822. You can see कि कितना rapidly change हुआ है इसमें. That means we need to check for the product. कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है हमारे पास, हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा प्रोडक्ट के लिए. If that product thing doesn't work, then we will go for squares and cubes. Fine. So we see 2 में हम अगर 3 का मल्टीप्लाई कर दें +1, that is 7. 2 into 3 +1. अच्छा, 22 कैसे मिलता है? हम 7 में से 3 का मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, then we get 22, right? Here also, if we 3 + 1, if we multiply 23 in 22, then add +1, then this is 67. That means I think we have got our series product से हमने क्या किया, 7 में 2 into 3 6 + 1, 7 into 3 + 1 22, 22 into 3 + 1 to 67. So if this is the pattern the series is following, then 67 into 3 + 1 should be 202. So let's check. 67 into 3 201, and if we add +1, then it is 202, and this is our term. That means this is the pattern. First we multiply 3 and then we add 1. So what would be the x? X would be 202 into 3 + 1, that is 606 + 1, that is 607. Option C. कुछ भी था इसमें डिफिकल्ट? कुछ भी नहीं था. Very easy question. ठीक है, so we noticed कि numbers are increasing very rapidly. We use this product concept, and this concept worked at the first instance itself. We'll move on to the next question. Okay, in the series this question again is asked in 2022. So this is the 5th question of the year 2021 of the same topic series. अब importance देख लो इस चैप्टर की, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है और केवल जरा सी प्रैक्टिस एंड इंट्यूशन विल मेक यू सॉल्व ऑलमोस्ट एवरी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक. अच्छा, वन मोर पर्सनल एडवाइस फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ कि अगर कभी आप सीरीज का क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो एंड यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द पैटर्न, ओके, कर रहे हो 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes, they are gone, and if even still you are not going to find the pattern of the series, आप थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ दो उसको. Believe me, because our brain is trained in such a manner कि आप अगर किसी एक चीज को ना लगातार कर रहे हो किसी काम को, तो you are tend to commit the same mistake again and again. If you are doing 2 + 2 = 5 और आप लगातार वही काम कर रहे हो, तो इट इज वेरी लाइकली कि आप वही मिस्टेक बार बार कमिट करोगे. सो देन आप क्या करो, उसको छोड़ दो. You do next 5, 10, 6, 15 questions, then come back to that question again, and it is very likely कि आप वो क्वेश्चन कर लो. ठीक है, so now we'll see this question. These type of questions they are asked in almost every year, or students feel difficulty in these questions. So मैं आपको क्या करूंगा, I will give you one method or trick, तो आप ये वाले सारे क्वेश्चन कर लोगे. So write the series B A B A B A B A B A A B. हमें ये ब्लैंक्स भरने हैं. तो जनरली steps of solving this question, first step is count the total number of terms in the given series. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. There are 18 terms. ठीक है. If there are 18 terms, let's say there are 18 terms, then this series must be bifurcated in either maybe 3 3 के ग्रुप में, तो there would be 3 3 3 3 3 3. So there will be, this series will be bifurcated in the 3 letters in each group. So there will be 6 group because total letters are 18. Or there might be 6 6 6. मीन्स ये 3 और 6 क्या है कि हर 6 लेटर बाद सीरीज फिर से पैटर्न दोहराएगी, हर 6 लेटर बाद फिर से सीरीज दोहराएगी अपना पैटर्न, हर 3 लेटर बाद पैटर्न दोहरा रही है, हर 3 लेटर बाद पैटर्न दोहरा रही है. If there are 20 terms, for example, then might be 5 5 5 5 या फिर 4 4 के 5 ग्रुप बन जाएंगे. Like this, ये ऐसा कुछ होगा. अगर 16 टर्म्स हैं then it might be 4 4 के ग्रुप या 8 8 के 2 ग्रुप. 2 2 के 8 ग्रुप नहीं होंगे क्योंकि then it would be very lengthy. 20 का है तो 5 5 के ग्रुप, आप 20 का फैक्टर कर लो ना आप, 5 into 4 या तो 5 के होंगे या 4 के होंगे. 2 2 के 10 नहीं हो सकते, it would be very lengthy. So here there are 18 terms. Then we check for whether the series is repeating after every 6 letter or every 3 letter. तो हम ना पहले बड़े वाले से चेक करते हैं, because अगर if it is repeating after 6 letter then it would be easier for us to find. So what will we do? हम क्या करते हैं, इसको चेक करते हैं after 6, and then if 6 doesn't work then we'll go for 3. So let's say 6 पे काम कर रही है. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now we see, does the series, हम सीरीज में देखते हैं थोड़ा ध्यान से, थोड़ा इसको देखो आप मेरे साथ कि कैसे काम कर रही है. Here this is AAB. So once you have bifurcated the series, आप देखो कि उस ग्रुप में जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा लेटर दिए हुए हैं उस पे फोकस करो. Here only 3 letters are given, here 1 to 4 letters, but here 5 letters are given. तो जहां पे ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन है वहां से आप अपने लिए इंफॉर्मेशन निकालने की कोशिश करो. ठीक है. Here there are 5 letters, only one is missing. So if we see, this is AAB, last 3 terms AAB. Here last term is AB, here last term is B, and this is A. AB, AB, बीच का टर्म A है, तो this might be here A, here A, last term B, last term B, middle term is A, because here middle term is A, so this might be the term. Fine. Achha, if we see this, last 2 terms is AB, 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 but this term is A, this term is A, then missing term might be A. ठीक है, बढ़िया. अच्छा, तो this AAB, AAB, AAB is right. अब हम क्या करते हैं, अब again we see this term. Starting term is AB, here it is B, then it might be A. AB, here it is A, here it might be B. ठीक है. AB, AB, AAB. अच्छा, अब now here it is B, AB, BA, AB. Here it is B. It might be B. AB, BA, AB, AB, BA, AB, AB, BA, AB. So I think we have got our series. AB, BA, AB, AB, BA, AB, AB, BA, AB. Right? Then what would be our answer? Our answer would be A, then B, then A, then B, then A, then B. AB, AB, AB. Is there any option? Option D. कुछ था इस क्वेश्चन में? हमने कैसे किया? फर्स्ट वी हैव काउंटेड द टर्म्स देयर वुड बी 18, देन इट इज मोस्ट लाइकली ये 6 या 3 में होगा, जनरली ज्यादा में होता है 6 या 6 में ही होता है, या 20 है तो 5 में होगा, 16 है तो 8 में होगा, बिकॉज क्यों ऐसा होता है, क्योंकि अदरवाइज वो ज्यादा ज्यादा क्लमजी हो जाएगा। इफ यू नो 3 3 3 देयर वुड बी 6 टर्म्स लाइक दिस, तो हमने 6 में बाइफरकेट किया, देन इस ग्रुप में 5 लेटर्स थे, सबसे ज्यादा लेटर जो गिवन थे, तो हमने फर्स्ट इसमें ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट दिस लेटर फ्रॉम द अदर टू, नॉट दिस लेटर, वी टुक द help of this group to find the terms in this group and then we have found, हमने दो तीनों को कंपैरिजन कर करके वन बाय वन टर्म्स निकाल लिए। ठीक है, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हम दो तीन क्वेश्चन और करेंगे ऐसे, तो यू विल गेट इवन मोर क्लैरिटी। ठीक है, अ सिंपल मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन इन ईच नंबर ऑफ द सीक्वेंस 14 18 20 24 30 32 results in a sequence with respect to prime numbers. What is prime number? Prime numbers are 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 19, okay? (31) like this, these are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers जो अपने अलावा या वन के अलावा किसी और से डिवाइड नहीं होते हैं। ठीक है, okay, so what is the sequence given? Sequence is 14 18 20 24 30 32. So they have made this question very easy because उन्होंने ऑलरेडी आपको हिंट दे दिया कि यार आपको सीरीज में कुछ नहीं ढूंढना है, इट इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू प्राइम नंबर्स, सो दिस सीरीज इज रिलेटेड टू प्राइम नंबर्स, ये आपको ऑलरेडी उन्होंने दे दिया है। ठीक है, तो बस आप प्राइम नंबर देखो, दिस इज 14, नियरेस्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 13, तो 13 में आपने +1 किया, वी गॉट 14, 17 में +1 ऐड किया, वी गॉट 18, 19 में +1 ऐड किया, वी गॉट 20, 23 में +1 ऐड किया, वी गॉट 24, 29 में +1 we added is we got 30, and then we again added +1, then we got 32. Then what would be the next term? We'll add +1 is this 37, then the next term would be 38. Option is 38. इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ था ही नहीं। Why this question was easy? Because उन्होंने आपको ऑलरेडी सीरीज के लिए ना, they have given you the hint कि it is related to prime numbers. It is related to prime numbers. तो बस आपने प्राइम नंबर्स लगातार देख लिया, तो फर्स्ट टर्म इज 14, इट इज रिलेटेड टू 13, 13 + 1 14, 17 + 1 18, 19 + 1 20, 23 + 1 24, लाइक दिस इट वर्कड। ओके, मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ओके, ये क्वेश्चन आपका फिर से वही क्वेश्चन आ गया जो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड। तो हमने वहां पे एक मेथोडोलॉजी स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखी थी, वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई द सेम मेथोडोलॉजी अगेन। ठीक है, ए बी ए बी ए बी ए बी बी this is the series. So first we'll count the number, total number of terms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. There are 20 terms. So 20 terms है, तो इट इज मोस्ट लाइकली या तो ये 4 के ग्रुप में होगा या 5 के ग्रुप में होगा, 4 के ग्रुप में होगा या 5 के ग्रुप में होगा। तो जनरली हम हायर वाला लेते हैं पहले, तो वी विल चेक फॉर 5, अगर 5 डजंट वर्क देन विल गो फॉर 4। तो 5 में हम इसको बाइफरकेट कर लेते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5। अब हमें इंफॉर्मेशन निकालनी है उस ग्रुप से जिसमें सारे लेटर्स, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स गिवन हो। तो हियर 4 आर गिवन आउट ऑफ 5, हियर आल्सो 4, हियर आल्सो 4, हियर आल्सो 4। तो हम किसी को भी देख सकते हैं। तो अगर मैं ये देखूं कि हाउ दिस सीरीज इज गोइंग टू वर्क, कंपैरिजन करना है आपको, आई थिंक ए बी अंडरस्कोर बी स्कोर BCB अंडरस्कोर DC DC and then DE_D. ओके, सो दिस इज द गिवन सीरीज। तो अब अगर मैं देखूं कि ये कैसे होगा, A B, okay, A B, this last term is missing here, DE_D, this is something, and this last term, so we can see this term and these terms is same. This term, first term and last term is same. First term and last term is same. First term and last term is same. So there is high probability that this first term will also be equal to this first term and this last term will be equal to this first term. अगर मैंने ये फुलफिल कर लिया, अब एक बार मैं अपनी सीरीज देखता हूं, A, अच्छा, A then B, A then B then A, then A, then B इस A के बाद वाला है B, है ना, इस A के बाद वाला, तो B के बाद वाला हियर C, BC, CD, DE, right? Because this term and this term is equal, then this term will be equal to this term, this term will be equal to this term, and this term will be equal to this term. So now if this is the series form, then we see AB, A, BC, B, CD, C, DE. So alternate terms are equal, and this term is also, these terms are also equal, which is, you know, one term ज़्यादा है earlier वाले से. So DE, CD, BC, B, AB. So I think we have got our series. तो सही है. So the option would be A, C, E, ACCE, which is option C. ठीक है, कोई इसमें डाउट? कुछ भी नहीं है. these are very simple questions, है ना, कि इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, आप बस देख रहे हो उसको, आपने बाइफरकेट किया एंड देन आपने इंफॉर्मेशन निकालने की कोशिश की एंड यू कंपेयर ऑल द डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स. ठीक है, we'll move on to the next question. Consider the following sequence of numbers. How many odd numbers are followed by the odd number in the above sequence? ठीक है, odd number क्या होता है? जो इवन नहीं होता है, मतलब 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 0, ये सारे क्या इवन नंबर्स हैं जो 2 से डिविजिबल हो जाते हैं. इसमें ऑड नंबर जो 1, 3, 5, 7 जो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होते हैं. तो हाउ मेनी ऑड नंबर्स आर फॉलोड बाय द ऑड नंबर? तो इसमें ये बोल रहा है कि जितने नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, दिस इज नॉट 85, दिस इज नॉट 85, दिस इज, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, this is not 85, this would be, just a second, okay. So this is 8 space 5, they are different terms. ठीक है, so here we can see how many odd numbers are followed by the odd number. So this is one odd number, कोई जो odd number है उसके बाद का next term भी odd number है. ऐसे numbers को हमें count करना है कि कितने हैं. ठीक है, this is 5 is odd number and इसका next term भी odd number है, and then this is right. This is right, 5. 1 is also odd number, but next term is not odd number, so this is not right. 4 is even. 7 के बाद 3 is also odd. 3 के बाद 9 is also odd. 9 के बाद 8 is not odd. 8 is even. 5 odd and इसके बाद का भी odd है. 7 is odd but 2 नहीं है. 6 is even. 3 is odd. 3 is odd and 1 is also, इसके बाद का नंबर भी odd है. 5 का तो कोई वो नहीं है ना. नेक्स्ट टर्म 8 even है. 6 even. 3 even, odd but next term is even. 5 odd but next term is even, 2 4 3, 3 next term is even, 9 odd but next term is even. This 1 is also odd, right? Because the next term is odd. So how many total numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 ऑप्शन बी. तो इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं था, बस आपको ना थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना था. देयर आर सो मेनी नंबर्स, तो आपको बस ये ना कंफ्यूज नहीं होना था, वहां पे फोकस होकर इसको करना था. ठीक. वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the x in the sequence? 132, 129, 124, 117, 106, 93. So this kind of series देखो अब लगातार डिक्रीज हो रहा है, लगातार डिक्रीज हो या लगातार इंक्रीज हो, बट बहुत रैपिडली नहीं हो रहा है. देन वी विल गो फॉर द डिफरेंस फर्स्ट. 132 minus 3 minus 5 minus 7 11 minus 13. तो दिस व्हाट इज दिस 3 5 7 11 13? ये तो कुछ ऐसा बन रहा है, ये जो है इक्वल डिफरेंस नहीं है. 3 3 3 का डिफरेंस होता, 5 5 5 का डिफरेंस होता, बट नहीं. 3 5 7 11 13. So we can say these are prime numbers, right? 3 5 7 11 13 consecutive prime numbers. 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 like this. So 3 5 7 11 13. So here I think this must be 3 के 13 का अगला कौन सा? 17 minus 17. So if we 93 minus 17, that is 76. So the next term here would be 76. Option is C. ठीक है, इसमें कोई डाउट तो है नहीं. This is a simple question. We'll move on to the next question. Next question क्या है? What is x in the sequence? 4, 196, 16, 144, 36, 100, 64, x. So अब देखो यहाँ पे this is increasing 16, 36, 60, but this is decreasing. 196 से reduce हो गया 144, then it is 100 like this. So this is again most probably a question of 2 series. Okay, so we can see this 4 is 2 square, 16 is 4 square, 36 is 6 square. So this is increasing. 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 64 is 8 square. अच्छा इधर पे देखिए 196. 196 is the square of 14. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि 25 तक के स्क्वायर एंड क्यूब्स आपको याद होने चाहिए. क्यूब नहीं भी याद हो तो स्क्वायर तो याद होने ही चाहिए. और एटलीस्ट 10 तक के क्यूब, स्क्वायर टिल 25 एंड क्यूब टिल 10 आपको आपके माइंड में इनग्रेन्ड होने चाहिए. इन एग्जामिनेशन आप 196 का अंडर रूट निकालने नहीं बैठोगे. यू विल नॉट बी हैविंग टाइम कि आप इसका कैलकुलेट करो, ये आपके पास दिमाग में होना चाहिए. तो 196 इज 14 स्क्वायर, 144 इज 12 स्क्वायर, 100 is 10 square. तो अब देखो अल्टरनेट टर्म 14 12 10, then this must be 8 square. 14 12 10 because 14 में से 2 minus किया, 12 में से 2 minus किया, 10 again we subtracted 2 from 10, then that would be 8 and 8 square is 64. Here it is increasing by 2, 2 square plus 2 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8, and here it is decreasing. 14 minus 2 12, 12 minus 2 10, 10 minus 2 8. Okay, so I think today we will conclude our session here only. There are certain questions left in this topic of series. So हम उनको next class में discuss करेंगे. My suggestion is कि जितने question I have discussed with you today, जो भी concept बताया है मैंने ABC वाला, BCD वाला, वो आप दोबारा देखो. You try to solve the question, you try to apply the questions. Even if you get that question anywhere else also, उस type के 5-10 questions आप कर लो, at least वो concept आपका clear हो जाएगा. And these are the questions which are a must in the exam. They are going to be asked in the exam. ठीक है, तो उससे आप थोरो हो जाइए. Again, सर का वीडियो देख के you do these 13 questions on your own. If you face any difficulty, let me know in the next class, and we will finish this series topic in our next lecture. Till then, work very hard, study hard, and thank you so much for watching the video. All the very best. Thank you.